Hi there! In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this really cute granny heart. So the first thing we're going to do is start with a slip knot and chain up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to join the last stitch with the first with a slip stitch to create a ring. You can use a magic ring if you want to. I am just going by exactly what this pattern says. Okay, from there we are going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to work 2 double crochets into the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. I'm going to do that one more time. Double crochet. And now we are going to chain 3. This is going to make the corner of our initial granny square. So there's 3. And now we're going to work 3 double crochets right into that ring. 1, 2, and 3. And this is going to make another granny cluster. These 3 groups of double crochets are called a granny cluster. So we're going to chain 3 more and create another granny cluster. Now I am working right over my tail. So there's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Oops. And 3 more double crochets into the ring to make one last granny cluster. And oh, that tail's starting to get in my way, but I'm going to just keep crocheting right over it. There's 2. And there's 3. I'm going to do 3 more chains, and then I'm going to join excuse me, I'm going to join with my initial chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and I'm just going to join with a slip stitch. And that is the end of round 1. Okay, let's start round 2. I'm going to chain up 3 and turn my work. So I'm just going to flip my square over, and I'm going to work right into my chain 3 space by making 2 more double crochets. And I'm going to chain 3 because I'm still working in a corner. Oops. And I'm going to do 3 double crochets right into that same chain 3 space. So here's 1 and 2 and 3. Chain 1, and now work into the next chain 3 space. We're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 3, and then 3 more double crochets right into that same chain 3 space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 3 space, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the same chain 3 space, because we're making another corner here. And chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, whoops, and 3 more double crochets into the same chain 3 space. There's 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and join with a slip stitch to the first chain of the round. Okay, for round 3, we are going to chain up 4 this time. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to attach this chain right here to this corner, the previous corner that we worked. So we're just going to insert our hook there and pull up and pull through just like a regular slip stitch, and this is going to make that chain lay down flat against our granny cluster there. And this is where we are going to build our triple or treble crochets right into that chain 3 space. So the first chain 4 counts as a treble, and now we are working another treble crochet, and we're going to work 12 of these all together. So now we've got 2, so this is going to make 3 treble crochets. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So again, we're just going to continue to work that until we have 12. The first chain of 4 does count as a treble crochet. Oh, I have a very, very slippy hook today. So let's see here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This makes 10. 11 and 12. Now I am going to join all of these right down here in the next corner with a slip stitch, and that's going to anchor that down and give it that nice arch. I'm going to build into the next chain 3 space with 12 more treble crochets. So here's 1. And sometimes if you pinch them at each pull through, it'll help you from slipping off your hook. Let's see. Let me try that. Kind of pinch it right there. There we go. Darn it. Alright, let's pinch these here. There we go. Much better. Where there's a will, there's a way. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, got a little ways to go here. That makes 8. That makes 9. There's 10. there's 11. And there's 12. Okay, so let's take a look at our work here. You can see we've got the two arches of our hook, of our heart, excuse me. We have our two arches of our heart now, so let's continue on. We are going to kind of lock this down here in this next chain 3 space with a single crochet. And we are going to work single crochets all the way around to the other arch. So in the next double crochets, there's 3 of them right here, we're going to do single crochets. And then 1 single crochet in the chain space. And then on the next 3 double crochets, we're going to do more single crochets. Kind of gives it a nice little border. And now when we come to the point of our heart, we're going to do 3 single crochets. I hope I've been saying single crochets. And then single crochets on the top of the next 3 double crochets. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Single crochet in the next 3 double crochets. Whoops, come here you. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. And in this last one, it's kind of tricky to find it because it's all kind of loose here, but 1 single crochet here. I'm sorry, 1 slip stitch there, and then we are going to tie off. So just pull your loop through there. From there, you just snip your yarn, pull it through, and weave in your ends. And you are done.